Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy. Imagine you are at a playground riding one of those classic merry-go-rounds. As it spins faster and faster, everything around you begins to blur. Your head starts to feel light, and you might even struggle to keep your balance. That swirling, unsteady sensation is what we call dizzy. At its core, the word dizzy describes a feeling of being lightheaded, unbalanced, or as though the world is spinning around you. It might be a physical sensation, like when you spin too quickly, or even a momentary mental fog when you're overwhelmed. When you are dizzy, your sense of balance seems off, making it hard to focus on the world around you. Did you know that Dizzy Gillespie, one of the most iconic jazz trumpeters of all time, earned his nickname because of his energetic, almost whirlwind stage presence? His music was just as unpredictable and vibrant as the feeling of being dizzy. Gillespie's playful personality and innovative approach to jazz left audience in a delightful state of exaltation, much like the sensation described by his nickname. Appreciate you spent time with me. Until next time, bye!